So cryptocurrencies are risky, yeah, but if you know what you're doing, you can make pretty good money. As in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money, crypto money, just by watching live streams. If you think that I'm a scam, I don't know how to prove you that I'm not. I mean, I made money with this. I mean, I can show you my transfer. Let's get to the video. So basically, we are gonna watch a live stream that have Incent. And if you don't know what Incent is a cryptocurrency. So when we watch live stream, there will be a pop-up with a code every 10 or 15 minutes. And that code is money. We claim that code. And basically, it's an Incent code which we can withdraw that. So without further ado, let's see how we're gonna do this. Now, there will be a link in the description. So if you click that, you will come to this page, which it says the Incent app is the only way to redeem codes. So we need to download the Incent app on our phone. Let's download it. So when we get to the App Store, we click on search and type here Incent. And there is the app. Just download it for free and open it. When you open the app, you will see a login button on the top left corner. Click on that and you're gonna sign into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can open it from your browser, from your computer, or from your mobile instead. I already have an account, so I'm gonna go with my account. And when you log into your account, there's nothing else with the app. You just enter the code here. For example, it will be something like that. And when you enter it, you click next and the campaign is not active because that was my code, which every code is different. So you have to watch the live streams. Let's find one.
Let's go!
I guess I have to wait.
With over 100 different rooms and 6 different buildings surrounding it.
Oh, I was going to say this guy was a scam, but there it is, it's coming. I'm waiting for 15 minutes, so it's 15 minutes. Next. Code has been accepted. Congratulations. So now I made money. And the worth of this, we can calculate that later. Should I finish this video or not? Anyways, later. Now we are on our wallet and we see our balance. So my balance is 69.
Nice.
And you can see that my balance was going the same for a long time, and now that I claimed a code, it went up a bit. And right below that we can see how much one Incent token costs and the price, and we can see that it's 0.1322 Australian dollars. And it can go up. I mean, it's cryptocurrency, so it can go down, it can go up. And once the Incent coin was up for 1000%. Yeah, it was 1000%, and we could make a lot of money if we had Incent then. And there is the quick actions like donate. So we claim those codes from content creators, from streamers. So if you want to help them, if you want to donate your money, your Incent, you can type here the streamer's name like this. I don't know. What? Well, hold on. I'm not a streamer. I'm not a streamer. Damn. I thought I was. I was doing last year. And also there is a withdraw part that you can take your money. And if I click that Incent here, the button here, I can see how much money is. So 69 Incents, it's $9, 9 Australian dollars. So keep that in mind. So I have 9 Australian dollars. I made money with this, so this is not my first time. And so I'm typing here, let's see, 69. So there is not any fees. So if you withdraw $9, you will take $9. And at the end, you have to put your wallet address. So there it says Waves address. So if you're going to withdraw your money through Waves Exchange mobile app from App Store or from Google Play, you have to put here your Waves address. But if you're going to withdraw your money through other sites, websites, like I don't know which sites has Incent, but there are some sites. If you're going to do it from a crypto site, you have to put your Incent address here. I don't know why, but that's how it works. I mean, that's how I was doing. That was how my friend doing. So I guess that's how it works. If you're not sure, if you don't trust me, you can search it more. So I'm gonna go to the streamer part. But before that, I want to show you from which websites you can get Incent streamers, how you can find them. I don't know if you know, but there is a site called DLive TV. So DLive, it's like Twitch, a streaming platform, but there are a lot of Incent streamers that if you come to the main menu, we can see, actually we can't, let me find one. So you can see that some streamers put Incent on their title, so you can understand that they have Incent. So this streamer says that he has Pro Incent is live. So he has Pro membership on Incent, which I'm gonna get to that. So you can watch his stream and get Incent codes. You can find another one, like, let me find one. So here's the streamer that I claimed the code in the video to show you. It says Incent Pro. So we can understand that he has Incent on his live stream. Now let's get to the streamer part. This part is for the users that are going to stream, and you can make money while you stream. So basically, you put that Incent on your live stream, so every 15 minutes there will be a pop-up on your stream for your viewers, and when they claim your code, they will get paid, but also you will get paid. So it's a win-win. From that main menu, you click on that Incent logo again from the top right corner and click engage. So here's the part that we are gonna engage the Incent on our stream. But before that, I wanna show you the plan. My plan is the free plan, but there's also the pro plan, the pro membership. My benefits is that I can reward my audience. Reward rate 0.5 US cents per reward code. Upgrade to pro plan to earn an income from your stream. So to make money as a streamer, you have to go pro. Pro plan benefit is streamer income, receive donations, promote yourself, set reward value, the code's value. And going pro is per code. So I click pro, go pro, and I click 300 codes. For 300 codes, my codes will be pro. The minimum is 200 codes, and 200 codes is $6. So you can calculate that and you can set your value, and so you can see if you are in profit or not, and you can try that. So let's get back to the engage part. To add the Incent on our stream, we click on set up your overlays, and here's the reward banner that we're gonna add on our OBS. Well, I guess I don't need to show you the OBS part. If you're a streamer, you must have OBS, so you know what OBS is. You copy that link and add that on OBS as a browser, and then when you start your stream, every 15 minutes there will be a code pop up on your stream, and you can copy the test URL to test that banner before your stream, so you know you can place it, the size and stuff like that. And there is the create a campaign, which I don't know why it has that. It changed. So when I was doing Incent, there was a create a campaign button here, so the streamer chose from what hour to what hour he was going to stream. So like from 8 PM to 10 PM. So that campaign was for 2 hours, and campaign was going to be active for 2 hours. Now when you start your stream, the campaign will be active, and when you end your stream, the campaign will end. But you can see your previous campaigns, like my latest Incent stream was 30 December 2020, and there was 8 unique users that were claiming my codes, and they got rewarded $1.14. Those 2 buttons are not required, so if you want, you can join the community, their Discord server, and if you want, you can watch their tutorial videos if you need any more help. Well, that was it. Thank you for watching this video. Here's a video that I show you passive income ideas that you can make $100 per day. If you want, you can watch it after this video. So see you in the next videos. Bye bye.